Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So you can see the bike in the background. Got back from work after my first ride, and all I gotta say is this bike is amazing. I got the delivery today, and we take it out for our first ride to work, and then come back, and all I have to say is this thing is pretty sweet. So stay tuned, and you can see the delivery and the first ride. We'll talk to you. Easy. Oh man, here it is. Here's my motorcycle. Awesome. Here they are. Here they are. Sweet. Oh, there we go, man. Wow, that's crazy. I thought it was gonna be a bigger truck. How you doing? You bring me something good? Yeah. Awesome. Traffic all right?
Yeah.
Good. It's a fancy setup, man. Wow. You can just park it right over next to the Navi.
Yeah, or what?
Woo. Awesome. Hey everybody. All right, so it's here. Let's flip the camera around and take a look at this and start it up. It's awesome. All right. Crazy. Oh. It's a cool display. Very interesting display. He said it was in gear. So let's get it out of gear. Oh, it even has a gear indicator. That's cool. Weird. All right. Guys ready? So that's off. On. All right. Oh, dude, it's got some grunt to it. Heck yeah, sold. Let's get that off of there. I need two hands for that. Yeah, this is the first thing to go right here. This 10-pound turd, that's got to go. It's a pretty awesome bike. I love the LED turn signals. Those are awesome. And the mirrors, they got to go. We got to do some bar end mirrors or something on here. And we got to peel off the stickers. I hate these stickers. Awesome. And it has 1 mile. Sick, right? Oh, and it's got these awesome, like the bronze rims. It's the black with the bronze. It looks really nice. And we're gonna take off the reflectors too. Those guys, those are definitely coming off. Woo! All right, so let me turn this off. We'll get that tag off, and then we'll switch over to the helmet cam, and we'll go to work. So we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, everybody, let's get this thing going. It's on. Oh yeah, awesome, man. This thing is pretty well balanced. Feels really good. And I found out this has 6 speeds. I thought it only had 5. Oh, clunk. Oh. Oh, it's smooth. It's definitely different than the Grom, I'll tell you that much. Clutch is really light. Ooh, it kind of like whistles. Turn off my turn signal there. It came to me with 1 mile. The controls are in a slightly different place, just where they're at. I think the horn on the Grom is down below. The guy was telling me to be careful of the tires since they're brand new. Oh man, it's so much different than the Grom. The clutch is awesome. It's got that like slipper. They called it like some kind of advanced slipper clutch or slipper clutch something design. The shifts are very crisp. Oh yeah. So it's finally here. Like a kid on Christmas, man, I'll tell you. This is sick. Oh yeah, man, I love how simple the display is and everything. I wonder if we could make it any brighter. A little bit brighter would be nice. Seating position's good. The only thing I'm noticing is on the right side, the case really sticks out. Like the side of my calf is resting over there by the brake. Oh, this is awesome. I'm really surprised by the grunt of this thing. Just the sound of it. The brakes are a little soft. Rides like a Honda. Guess I should have adjusted my mirror. What am I going to do with 6 gears? We'll have to make sure there's no cops up here, and we'll get on it just a little bit. I ain't trying to redline this thing. feels good to be riding again. It's like, I don't know, 40, 48, something like that. I'll pop the temp up on the screen here. My feet fit perfectly on the ground. This thing is a couple inches lower than the Grom, believe it or not. I think the seat height's like 27 inches. Perfect for somebody like me. Oh yeah, you didn't get in trouble with this thing. And I'm just enjoying the ride. Stoked. And it came with a full tank of gas. It's very it's not quite as nimble as the Grom, obviously, and this thing only weighs like 407 pounds. It's very manageable. I like it. It doesn't feel heavy at all when you're sitting there. It feels very well balanced. Oh, I was in second. I was like, why is it shuddering? I thought I felt like it was in first. What do you guys think? I like it? I like it. Now we can get Trevor on the Grom and we can ride together. And get to teach him how to... He's going to have to learn how to use a clutch quick because otherwise he's not going to be able to ride a CB. Damn mirror. There we go. That's better. Let's try putting it in neutral from here. Ah, that was easy. It's not like the Grom. It was very easy to put this in neutral. Oh, doggo. Fucking doggo. Oh, you don't like it? You don't like it? Oh, you do like it? Okay. Thumbs up, right? Thumbs up. What is it with dogs, man? It's going ape. Yes, please don't pull out. Fully loaded gravel truck. Thank you. Kind of afraid to lean on this thing yet. I don't really, it's so new. I gotta get used to riding it. I'm just trying to be really careful. I ain't trying to drive it like I stole it. Let's roll up here in neutral. Oh yeah, sweet. I told you I'd be back. What do you think?
It's cute.
Ah, it's cute. God damn it.
Bought a brand new?
Yep. 1 mile. It was just delivered like 20 minutes ago.
Really?
Yeah.
You can smell the new burning.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you later. Okay. I think she rides a Harley. It's cute. Damn it. I think it looks pretty tough. I love it all blacked out. Oh, there we go, 6Q. Lean. Oh, kind of pushes me back in my seat. Oh my God! Woo! That's awesome. It's literally pulling. I'm like getting pulled back when I'm accelerating. That's awesome. They're doing the wildfire, the brush burning here. Great. Picked a hell of a day to ride into work. I hope it looks. Yeah, guys, I don't know if the video cut out at the end or not, so I'll just say that overall this thing's pretty awesome. I don't regret it. So, and if you're into cruisers, I would look into one of these. Pretty reasonable price. Handles really well. It definitely doesn't feel sloppy. It feels decently made. And the clutches, it's nice. It's easy. So, alright guys, we'll see you on the next one, alright? Peace.